Around the world, around the clock, Gleason is dedicated to keeping the world in motion. Today, Gleason is helping the gear-making industries move into an exciting new era in bevel gear cutting with the Phoenix 2 275HC, an era where a smaller, faster machine will do the work of larger conventional models, all in a wet or totally dry operator-friendly environment. An era where users of the Phoenix 2 will fully realize these long-sought cost savings. Precious floor space. Phoenix 2 occupies 35% less space than its Phoenix 175HC predecessor and considerably less than competitive models, but can face mill and face hob gears with a pitch diameter as large as 275 millimeters. Designed for dry. A cast iron monolithic column puts the cutter spindle on one side, the work spindle 90 degrees away on the adjacent side. By eliminating the conventional machine bed, hot, dry chips now can fall free and completely clear of the machine without the need for shrouds, vacuum systems, or temperature compensation. Faster throughput. With the new monolithic design, both the cutter and workpiece conveniently face the operator. Non-productive time for parts load-unload and tooling changeovers is greatly reduced. Linear motions are inherently shorter and faster too, further reducing non-cutting time. In addition, Phoenix 2 employs direct drive spindle motors that deliver higher torque, higher cutter and work speeds, and higher acceleration-deceleration rates as compared with conventional drives and mechanical components. Improved accuracy. The new design pivots the cutter spindle to create the root angle, rather than mounting the work spindle on a swinging base. This permits the shortest possible overhang of both cutter and work for maximum stiffness and thermal stability. This, plus the improved precision and repeatability of direct drive spindles, leads to higher, more dependable part-to-part accuracies. Cost of ownership and operation reductions. Phoenix 2 requires 15% fewer parts than its predecessor, helping lower spare parts inventories and simplifying maintenance. When maintenance is required, guards and enclosures are readily accessible and easy to remove. Even as small a detail as the operator pendant swinging wide from the front to the side of the machine helps speed operator access and service. Built for the world, Phoenix 2 is a universal machine. All styles and types of Gleason and non-Gleason cutters and cutter systems can be used for face hobbing and milling. And either Fanuc 160i or Siemens 840D CNC is available. The Phoenix 2 275HC bevel gear cutting machine. It's what you and customers around the world have been waiting for.